Whereas growing a fan account on TikTok is just 10 times easier, and right now it may not be worth a lot, but down the line people pay hundreds for it, especially how easy you'll get really good tags and usernames for TikTok, and how easily you could gain followers. Hey guys, what's up? Excuse the red nose. I'm extremely sick, but I want to pump out this video for you guys. In this video, we'll be talking about how to go ahead and grow your TikTok account and use your TikTok to go ahead and grow your Shopify dropshipping business. Before we get into the video, let's announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting course with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. And if you guys watch to the very end, I'm actually going to go ahead and give you guys my TikTok growth strategy. Other than that, let's jump right into my phone.
Look at this dude.
By the way, I use a photo of me at 80 years old. It's like the oldified version of me. Reminds me who I'm working for. I'm working hard for my 80-year-old self. Alright, so as you can see on my TikTok, I've just been growing my account. You guys are going to see a series of me growing my account from 0 to probably like 1,000 or 10,000 followers. That's the goal. But currently it's at 34. You guys can go ahead and give Andy Kumai a follow. But that's going to be saved for another video. What I want to show you guys is this page, gadgetsszn. Check this out. This person literally posts dropshipping products. Check this one out. This is the normal LED light product. But yeah, as you can see, this is the mood light, and he posted it in a really cool way where it's like a TikTok sort of consumable piece of content and has like Bad Guy by Billie Eilish music. Now this one only got 150 views. This one got nearly 8,000. But check this one out. This is like a dropshipping phone holder, and it literally shows his website, Car Gadgets. Use a really catchy song, very sort of bite-sized content, and he got 65,000 views with 0 advertising. To get 65,000 on like an Instagram page, you're paying hundreds of dollars just to get that sort of size of following. And then he has this website on his bio. But what you could do, a good hack, is you could write click link in Instagram bio, so when they go ahead and go to your Instagram, your product will be in the bio. And as you can see, this person, he's been posting content on his Instagram and it's only at 164 followers, whereas on his TikTok he only posted 4 content and he's already at 5,500. So growing your TikTok is insanely easy, and you know, I've been getting so many views and growing my Instagram at like a crazy rate as well. Like to get 34 organic followers on Instagram or YouTube, that takes weeks and weeks, but I was able to achieve that in under a few days. What I recommend you guys, a blueprint basically is, go ahead and create a TikTok account, and what I want you to do is create a fan page, whether it's for pets, cars, niche it out, and then just sort of grow your following on that. There's a lot of fan pages on Instagram, and it's so hard to grow a fan page on Instagram. And if you have a grown fan page on Instagram, it's worth a lot of money, but it's so hard. Whereas growing a fan account on TikTok is just 10 times easier, and right now it may not be worth a lot, but down the line people pay hundreds for it, especially how easy you'll get really good tags and usernames for TikTok, and how easily you could gain followers. So what I want you guys to do is to go ahead and post like sort of memes. So for example, House of Highlights, they have 1.3 million. All they do is just post like highlights and memes from other channels, from YouTube videos. Like none of this is their content. Like this, none of this is their content, but they're able to grow their account to 1.3 million. Imagine if you had your own TikTok account at 1.3 million. Every single post you did to your own product, look at this, their average on like a bad video is like 25,000 views. Getting 25,000 views on a product ad for just one of your products, that's a lot of money. Let's say, like, since it's a bunch of kids, let's say not 1% of people convert, but 0.1% of people convert. So let's say you get 25,000 views on a bad video, times that by 0.001, that's 25 purchases, times that by an average order value of say 25, that's $625 for just one very badly done post. And with TikTok, there's no saturation. Like posting 2-3 times a day, you're completely fine. So you can literally post 3, 4, 5 times a day. Obviously, you want to be posting a lot of things that will grow your account. You want to jab, 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 give value, 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 and right hook with like one sales post for one of your products every sort of day, once a day, once every 2 days. And those right hooks, you definitely want them to look really natural, just like gadgetsszn, where like this is a very, very natural right hook that blends right in to TikTok and people would never even notice. But yeah, that's the whole TikTok strategy that I highly recommend everyone to do. Right now I've been growing my TikTok account and I'm going to document that journey, and there'll be probably a series of video on how I went from 0 to say 10,000 soon. Growing fan accounts is 10 times easier because all you have to do is just source and collate viral pet videos, viral Twilight videos, viral makeup videos, put into one page and just grow your account. And you know what? Yeah, I think I might do that. I might just grow a fan makeup account, because you know how big makeup is and how much makeup content and pages. You can literally just go on Instagram, follow a bunch of makeup pages, download all their daily posts and just repost it on TikTok. It's literally that easy. And you can only do that now. Like, let's check out what tags are available. Makeup first. Let's see if there's any users under makeup. Dude, I did not even plan this. Check this out. This is a makeup page doing exactly what we suggested. It's not a fan page, which is good, but she's organically creating her own content. And then she just jab, 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 right hooks. There's no makeup at the moment. Interesting. And a tip is, what I'm going to do, I think I might actually change my country region to United States, because that's sort of where TikTok is really big. And I want all my content to be shown to people in the United States. So that's another quick hack that I just discovered and I'm going to share to you guys right now. But yeah, as of right now, I can't see makeup. It's probably taken, but I'm going to go ahead and check on my computer. Let me see if it's taken. Because if not, that's insane. But there's just so many opportunities just like this, where since TikTok is new, there's just so many tags that are available that you could just take right now, hold it, and sell it as TikTok grows to the size of Instagram. People are paying millions for Instagram tags, thousands and millions, and you have the opportunity, just like back in the day with Domain, to do the exact same thing with TikTok. But yeah, it looks like I have to go on another phone to go ahead and try create a new TikTok account. But yeah, that's literally the whole video. That's my TikTok strategy. How to go ahead and grow your TikTok to drive traffic insanely cheaply and for free to your e-commerce store. This is a way to build an asset that can generate you money forever. And TikTok is only going to continually grow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this valuable video. I just gave you guys my TikTok to your Shopify store strategy. Hope you guys found value in this. Pressure of your day. What are your thoughts on TikTok? Drop that in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. Hopefully you guys are enjoying these sort of different styled videos. I'm always trying to stay up to date and give you guys the latest news. If you guys appreciate it, please don't forget to subscribe. You know, I'm hella sick right now, but I want to push out these daily educational videos for you guys, just because I don't want to miss a single upload. On that, I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with more value. Peace.